Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to prepare carrot rice. So I've already added my rice here, 2 cups of rice, and then 4 cups of water and some oil. So right now I'm going to add carrot. I'm going to grate my carrot, then add them here. I'll show you later. I've already added my carrot, so I'm going to stir it very well. Make sure you stir it nicely. And make sure you add some salt. Yeah. So let's wait for it. So it's basically vitu za kawaida za nyumba. I bought some sausages for breakfast, some bacon and some fillet. Let me show you this. Like sijaijua, you can get fillet at this price. Look, and they have different price. Mpaka nikaanza kushuku. Hizi ni fillet za ukweli. Another is unfortunate. I need to put these ones in the freezer because yeah, and some beans here for breakfast because I love that, and some soda, some unga there. Yeah, basically that, and using in toiletries, hand wash here. Na watu wajisugue mgongo proper. Yeah, like just that. It's basically vitu tu kidogo kidogo, the laundry. Yes, so that's it guys. And I decided this time round I'm going to try this new, not new, but I'm going to try this Nivea shower cream because I've been using a different one and I want to see how this one will take me. Yeah, that's it. And some panty liners, yeah. And this time round I decided I'll buy this Omo. Omo, if you are using washing machine to wash your clothes, it's good. You see, nimekuwaga nikibuy the one for hand and nika notice it's not working perfectly. So today I had to look the one for washing machine, and I want to see how it will go with some, what is it called, Endoni. I bought this one on lavender whatever, fanya nguo zinukie vizuri. Yeah, basically that. So guys, I'm going to show you what I bought, and if you hear some noise on the background, kindly munisamehe. Where I live, it's just next to the road and it's so noisy. So I bought these beautiful nails, the one that I'm wearing. Yes, I did this to myself. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Yes, I bought this because I don't know, for 200 shillings. Yes. Then I bought this OTJ for my. I want to transfer movies to my flash disk because yeah, I'm that old-fashioned. I still put movies in the flash disk. You know, wifi inaweza kukatikia. Saa hizo unasema tu Netflix, Netflix. Netflix for who? Okay, so what next? Nikanunua nail cutter ile ya kutrim these nails. Msinione hapa na slay hivi. I'm thinking of trimming them because honestly I can't survive this way. Ona already najikaruza. So I bought this nail cutter. Yeah, edge cutter. It's called edge cutter, so that I can look good. And I bought some wax strips. Hizi ni za kutoa wax kwa mwili. Yeah, there are like 100 of them in here. Yes, so let me tell you what my other YouTube channel is all about. It's about sugar waxing, but beauty and all that. It's not like this one. Mtaniona nikiongea that one. Okay, maybe mtaanza kuniona nikiongea because remember I've told you I'll do a video of explaining what happened to my other YouTube channel. So I'll let you know what happened there and why I decided now I'll be doing this thing alone. Like I'll be doing it on myself, or rather I'll be doing it to someone else that haitaleta shida. So these were wax strips. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to my other channel, Miss Kiki 254, not just Miss Kiki, Miss Kiki 254, go and subscribe, support this girl. I'll truly appreciate. So these are wax, they're not wax, they're, yes, wax strips, yes, wax strips. Then I bought Dr. Rachel. This goes for 200 shillings, yes, in town, nearly by in Dubois, yes, in Dubois. If you need anything to do with beauty and everything, just let me know and I'll link you with the lady that, and I'll kuziana good price tena sana. So I bought this vitamin C face serum for Dr. Rachel. I do love it because inafanya ngozi yangu inakaa tu vizuri. Yes, I love it. So then I bought this La Fresh face scrub. Yes, I bought this one too. I want to try it. I've never tried it, but they told me it's good and I want to try it. Yes. And I'll let you know, okay? I'll let you know. Hey, here is the main. So these are sugar wax. So I decided to buy these small ones first. Yeah. So they have different flavors. So this one is can't remember, but this one is about it has aloe vera whatever. Yeah, so I'll be doing this on my other channel. If you want to learn and know more about it, kindly go to my other YouTube channel and you'll see more of this and you will know what to do with this. Yes, you know, you pay a lot of money to go for waxing, but it's something you can actually do at home for yourself. Or maybe kama si mtu wa kujihurumia sana ati you can't uzijisikizia kauchungu, but they're not painful anyways. And if you want me to do it for you, kindly call me, I'll do it. Bora, I'll do it. Then I have this warmer. It's a wax warmer. It's a machine for wax warmer that you use to unaeka hii una warm ndio uanze kutumia. Yeah. So here it is. I'm so proud of myself because I've been thinking of buying this stuff and I thought it's too much expensive, but it's not. I don't know if you can you see it? I don't know. Yes, there you go. Yeah. So you open here and it has, this is where you put your wax when you want to warm it. Yeah. Nakatu even done. It's like a pot, like a rice, whatever. So even nakatu. So you'll put your wax in here. Not with this tin. No. Utatoa wax iko ndani kidogo, the amount that you want to use, you put it here and you warm it. Then you use your scooper to apply it on your body na inatumia steamer. So it's not something complicated. And when you're done, yeah, that's it. Hapa tu ni moto utapima. And that's it. So, and it goes for 2,500 shillings, 2,500. So it's not expensive. Yes. And the wax goes, let me tell you, I forgot to tell you about the wax. Oops. Okay, sorry. The wax goes for 600 shillings, each 600 shillings. And there is a big one for 800, and I don't know, for 800 it's this size, like this combined one. But for 1600 it's bigger, it's twice bigger than this. Yes. Then I didn't tell you this one goes for 400. Yes. And this one as well goes for 400. No, 300 and 300. Yes. Yeah. So that's basically it. And this one goes for 150. If you talk to her well, she can do it for 100 shillings. Then I have this beautiful jar over here. So I love this. Ooh. Small details really matters to me. Sivunjike na hujatumika. You see that? Hii ndo kifuniko. So I bought this one in town. I've been seeing this mama with these bottles. Akona so many different shapes, different colors, but too bad yesterday nilipata tu zimebaki makubwa sana zenye hazikunifurahisha. And you know, I decided to buy this one so I can store my cooking oil in, because I know what wengi ndio aje mafuta kupika aje hapo ndani, but to me it will serve me well, because mafuta kupika kwa ile chupa kubwa ya mafuta, and wakati unataka kupika ni mzigo. Yes. So I decided I'll buy this small one. I really love it. Like, don't you love it? I do love it. I can't wait to place it somewhere on my countertop. And yes, so yes, it goes for 200 shillings as well. She has different type of bottles. She's around anaweka hizi chupa wapi Tao, opposite fire station, that street over there. You see her. There are two women selling bottles, and easy to container tudogo to cost something like sugar and all that. So yeah, I bought this one for 200, and I love it, because I can't wait to use it. Yes. So that's it, guys. That's it. Yes. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe. I'll always remind you that subscribe. I could begin at 100 banner. Subscribe. And if you're new here, I really appreciate for always supporting me. Let's grow together. Let's grow this family together. And I'll try to be posting videos every day. I don't know, I always say every day and I end up failing you guys. Let me hope I'll be doing this every day. If not every day, just pray for me. Let's not say it. We'll be doing this thing every day. Yes. By God's grace, we'll be doing this every day. And yes, I'll be taking you along my daily life routine. Yes, so see you next time. Bye. But I nikate video before nijidunge ni makucha, because I'm planning to trim them.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier the fighting, but I know